Astronomers are preparing for a once-in-a-lifetime event. A nova could become a new star in the sky at any time. A nova should not be confused with a supernova, which is a final, powerful explosion that destroys a dying star. During a nova event, the dwarf star remains intact and ejects its accumulated material into space in a dazzling flash of light. This cycle usually repeats over time, and the process can last tens or hundreds of thousands of years. Stargazers and astronomers around the world keep their eyes on the constellation Coronae, where a long-extinguished star is expected to reignite in an explosion so powerful that it will briefly rival the brightness of Polaris. To recognize the impending eruption of TCRB, you need to be familiar with the sky conditions. What makes it even more amazing is that the first recorded sighting dates back to the 13th century, also known as the fire star and known to astronomers simply as TCRB. Coronae Borealis is a binary star system located in the northern crown, about 3,000 light-years away from Earth. The system consists of a white dwarf, an Earth-sized remnant of a dead star with a mass comparable to the Sun, and an ancient red giant star that is slowly being drained of hydrogen by the relentless gravity of its hungry neighbor. The luminosity of the star system T Coronae is typically +10. Astronomers use this unit of measurement to describe the relative brightness of a celestial object compared to other celestial objects. T Coronae is expected to increase in brightness to +2 during the nova event, making it equal in brightness to the North Star Polaris. It could be visible to the naked eye for a few days and perhaps a week or more with binoculars. It could then dim again and remain that way for another 80 years, which could make this a once-in-a-lifetime astronomical event. An animation of a nova similar to T Coronae Borealis shows a red giant and a white dwarf star orbiting each other. The red giant is a large sphere with shades of red, orange, and white, with the side facing the white dwarf having the brightest hues. The white dwarf is hidden in a bright glow of white and yellow, which represents the accretion disk around the star. A stream of material, shown as a diffuse red cloud, flows from the red giant to the white dwarf. As the red giant moves behind the white dwarf, a nova explosion occurs on the white dwarf, producing a ball of ejected nova material, shown in pale orange. After the nebula of material disperses, a small white dot remains, indicating that the white dwarf survived the explosion. T Coronae is a repeating nova, briefly becoming 1,000 times brighter. The last time he was spotted doing this was in 1946. Once bright, it should remain visible to the naked eye for several days and with binoculars for about a week. You can observe it with your own eyes by peering into the constellation of Polaris, which lies between the Boats and Hercules.